Hey there, how's it going today? Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. Hope you're all staying safe. And this is a little different video that I'm doing. It's going to be on how to make high ticket and reoccurring affiliate commissions. And this is mainly geared towards beginners. So anyway, what you have to do is first you have to go to clickbank.com. You go to clickbank.com and you become a Clickbank affiliate. This is a good place to start. Now you can do this with other affiliate networks, but what you do is you go to clickbank.com, become an affiliate on Clickbank, and then what you do is you go to the marketplace and you search for affiliate offers. Search for affiliate offers in the search bar. And when you get the affiliate offers, you're going to go to where it says sort by. It's below the search part on Clickbank in the marketplace, and you're going to search by future and reoccurring, and you want to go high to low. So you want to go future and reoccurring, high to low, and then it will show you the highest paying conversions or commissions for Clickbank products, and it will show you the reoccurring ones. And those are the ones that are going to get you the high ticket commissions, plus you're going to get rebilled. They're going to give you the rebill. So that means you get commissions consistently. And that is the trick to being successful with affiliate marketing, because you make higher commissions, plus you get the rebill. So anyway, a lot of times what vendors will do is they'll sell a low ticket product, and then on the back end, they'll have a high ticket reoccurring commission product. So anyway, that's a little how-to or a tip for you today. So how to get high ticket reoccurring commissions for beginners. That's Mark Dwayne. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.